just don't agree. No vision is of my own making. Take it back to the start. I've had a change of heart. I know we can make it better than it ever was. I know we can make it better. I know we can make it better than it ever was. I know we can make it better. I know there's things to change. The path that I could choose is lose, and I must find a new one. Our fates are not yet written. I will take the warning. Choose a way that's less destructive. Yeah, I know it look bad, but we've only seen one path. Can't you see? We are free to choose our destiny and be the way we want to be. A second chance, we just need to believe, 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 believe. Everyone makes mistakes. I've had more than my share, but it's okay, 'cause I'm gone.